You and Trooper ready?
We're gonna read it together. Are you ready? Yeah. Yeah, look. I know. Pick a number between 1 and 10. Hint, how hungry are we?
1.
1.
I'll choose a lucky number 5.
Number
I'm actually really not hungry, so I'm gonna pick 1.
Okay.
8.
8.
Where are you? 8.
8 is your number.
8.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Probably about a 4 right now.
About a 4.
10.
2.
I haven't eaten breakfast yet, so I'm gonna go with like a 7.
A 7. Okay.
And it would be
Where's the other notebook?
Eat that many of saltine crackers. Fastest time wins. All right, let me.
Can I get a glass of water?
Thank you.
Okay.
GPS signal lost. He's lost.
So in that aspect, we'll have you play as a kid for the bonus point. Yep, a little bit at a time. Don't choke on it. Ready, set, go. Right? I meant for soup. Mhm. Awesome. Well done. Yeah, because as you go more and more, you lose the saliva from the first one.
Have fun.
Well done. Definitely one. Or more. Wow. Not bad. Does it beat cake? Worse sometimes. Yeah, the kids get to do marshmallows. Oh, wow. That's actually pretty fast. Yeah. So, Aaron asked for a glass of water and picked 1. Done? Okay. 48, 47. Well done. Yeah, his was marshmallows. And then his had like hidden mini marshmallows underneath. Okay. Done. Wow. It lands where you can ask for water, and you found the clue about how hungry are you. Okay.
Probably help me eat a saltine cracker. Does Trooper and Scout want to help me eat a saltine cracker? One. All right. You want this piece? Okay. Well, how fast are you gonna be able to eat this? Ready? On your mark. Get set. Go.
As fast as you can, Greg. As fast as you can. We don't choke, but definitely.
Okay. I get that you're done, but you handed that saltine to others.
Millie. Come on, you guys. Okay. Done. Millie. Come on.
I need an empty mouth.
I gave you a bigger cracker first. You told me you could handle it, ma'am. Come on.
Have you
Have
swallowed?
you eaten it all? Okay, swallow. Have you swallowed? Okay.
There you go. Perfect. Okay.
That
Good
totally
job.
worked in your favor.
Good job.
All right, that was a really poor.
Almost.
Pick a number between 1 and 5.
4.
4.
Yeah, I'll just do 5.
5.
Okay.
2.
2. Okay.
One at a time. Eat that many marshmallow. Fastest time wins.
marshmallows, isn't it? Oh, that's wet. Yeah? Done. 37.18 seconds.
Be a secret?
Yeah.
There were mini marshmallows in there.
So you could have gone even faster.
Dang it.